Hi, hope you are doing well. Sakshi this side, your immigration consultant from Round World Immigration. Today we are here to discuss about exactly what is Australia PR and how you can calculate your points. So watch this video till end. So firstly we will discuss about what is Australia PR. Basically Australia PR is used for a settlement purpose. This is a family visa, so you can also sponsor your 5 blood relatives with you. Even this visa is valid for total 5 years, and after 4 years you can also apply for citizenship. In this Australia PR, there are some factors in which you can check about your eligibility. In Australia PR, there are some subclasses, which is 189 subclass, 190 subclass and 491 subclass. Now, if we are talking about the difference between three subclasses, so in 189 subclass, which is skilled independent visa, in this you will get an invitation from any of the state of Australia country. If we are talking about 190 subclass, so this is a skilled nominated visa in which you will get an invitation from a particular state of Australia country. And the last one will be the 491 subclass, which is skilled work regional visa, in which you will get an invitation from any of the region of Australia country. So now if we are talking about point based criteria in Australia, so to apply for Australia country, minimum 65 points is required. If we are talking about the points, so if your age comes under 25 to 32, so you will get a points of 30. If we are talking about your educational part, so if you have done your bachelor's and master's, then you will get a 15 points. If I am talking about your work experience, so if you have done 8 years of experience outside Australia, then you will get 15 points for that. Lastly, if we are talking about language proficiency, so if you will reach to 8 points in each, then you will get the highest point, which is 20 points. Now if we are talking about extra points which you will get from the side of Australia, so if you are single, so you can directly hold 10 points extra for that. It's okay if you are married, then if your spouse will give IELTS with you and score 6.5 bands, then you will get extra 5 points. And rest, if your spouse will give your IELTS and skill assessment both, then you will get a 10 points extra for that. Rest, you have another option, which is NATI exam, which is also known as regional language exam. So if you can give this exam as well, so you can get extra 5 points. I hope I clear your all doubts regarding Australia PR. So now, what are you waiting for? Apply now and get your eligibility done with Round World Immigration. Thank you so much.